Hi guys, today we are going to have an eating challenge. Whoever wins 10,000 shillings.
Guys, as you heard her, we're gonna be doing the food eating challenge, and as she said, whoever wins 10,000 shillings. So vote for me and let's get started.
Vote for me.
So guys, let me explain. We have a 10 minutes timer, so whoever will eat the most food in 10 minutes wins. So let's start.
3
In 3. Wait. 3, 2, 1.
1.
Slowly.
Salad.
Akashindwa ataosha mikono juu. Atamaliza kabisa. Sahani aonekanishe kwa nini kwa kamera.
Kai.
Okay, kaa sasa tulia.
Bagus. Mm. 4 minutes. Nó có nhô. Nó có nhô. Ona Keisha.
I'm literally about to burst.
Yeah, you're dead, bro. I don't care if I win.
No, stop helping her.
She got.
Stop helping her.
Okay, number 1.
Anisha. Anisha. Okay.
Number 2. On 10 minutes.
2 more minutes. The food.
No. Another competition. Mandazi. Okay, quickly.
อย่าเห็น
Okay.
มันจะกูน้ำมันจะกู
Seconds left.
41.
40,
30,
38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 28, 27, 26, 25,
She already gave
24,
up.
22, 31, 20, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Okay.
จะมีได้ยังอีว่ามีครัวกิฟจะมีได้ยังบอกว่ามีมา
The winner is Kigame.
No number 2.
No.
Number 2 sing number 2
Enjoy.
Number 2.
Who is number 2 อย่าapa tak good apa benar Rasa cakap Tidak
Okay.
Tidak tahu
Ipo ongelesha watu waambie venye competition ilikuwa na venye mlikuwa mna.
The competition was good, but I didn't win, and Keisha didn't win. Yeah,
You're the last.
I know, and you're not even on number 2.
I am the second one, and you're the last one.
Okay, but that was good. So round 2.
Hey, what are we doing round 2? Hey,
Yamandazi.
You are round 2.
no,
Yes.
no, no,
Yes.
no.
Yes.
I'm too full.
Yes.
Okay.
Sit
Keisha.
down.
Keisha, you're not gonna eat the mandazi.
So of course there's no round 2. Everyone here is full. She's the one who's saying that. She's the one who's saying round 2 when this itself she didn't even finish it. Yeah. Cause like me, I finished all the food except of course the potatoes, and she finished everything. She only ate like she's asking for round 2, and she ate only two times, and she said she's full. She's asking for round 2. What a shame. Do you have any comment about your failure?
I said bring that mic. Girl, you better stop like telling me like are you not fool? Do you want to know tasty mandazi?
Will you bring the mandazi? Cause I know you won't even eat one of it. Cause
I will.
just look at this